Welcome to the Digital How-To series. Today I'm going to talk about using social media to dominate your brand presence and for SEO purposes. So here we're doing a search for algorithm agency. Obviously our domain is listed first because it's us. But in addition to that, you'll see that the search results are kind of dominated by our social profiles. So we've got here LinkedIn. We've even got an individual here who works at the agency on LinkedIn. We've got the Facebook business page listed, the Instagram page and the Twitter page, just as a few examples. What do I mean by making sure that they're optimized and aligned? So just taking LinkedIn and Twitter as two examples. Under the company profile page, we have like a headline description where we talk about performance marketing agency. But then underneath that, there's like a medium length description which talks about the services that we offer, search engine marketing, etc., etc. Even right the way down to speciality tags where we've listed our core service offering SEO, PPC, search engine marketing, etc. Same thing applies to all of those social media profiles. So if we just look at Twitter here as an example, SEO, conversion rate optimization and web analytics specialists. So you get the idea. Just make sure that A, you have the social profile, B, that it has some presence to make it look like you're a legitimate organization that publishes content, but then make sure that the links to the website are included and your core service offering and your core descriptions are included within those profiles, which basically acts as backlinks that Google sees with some significance to make sure that you dominate the page for your own brand terms. But it goes a lot further than that. So for social media, people often make the mistake of designing posts that they just post on the social media platform as an image or a piece of content. From a search engine point of view, it's much better that content always lives on your website. Why? Because that content lives forever. So in this example, where we're doing a social media post, we're actually creating a post, but it's linking to a long form piece of content on our website. So on our website, we have a thought leadership section where we talk about a bunch of topics, performance marketing, SEO, etc. In this case, let's look at the site relaunch checklist for SEO. So plus minus 800, 900 words of content that's useful to users, number one. But number two, when we promoted this content, what we did is we gave a short description of what the content's about and then literally link that person directly to the page. What people sometimes forget is that social or any traffic signal is a signal to Google that this page has some interest and therefore is a small ranking factor that will help this page in itself rank for SEO related search terms. And that's my guide to leveraging social media profiles, but also social media content so that it lives on your site and has legs for more than just one post. It actually has value for the years to come.